Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Catherine and today's video is focused on a very important topic in chemistry, atomic structure. If you want to understand how elements behave, react or bond, this is where it all begins. So grab your pen and notebook. Let's dive in. Definition of an atom. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. Atoms are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons are located in the nucleus. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in energy levels or shells. Example: hydrogen has one proton and one electron. It has no neutron in its most common form. Let's take a look at the subatomic particles. So we'll be looking at the particles, which includes proton, neutrons and electrons. And we are going to be comparing their symbols, their charge, their mass and their location. First of all, we have the proton. The symbol of the proton is P plus. The charge is +1. Its mass is 1 and it is located in the nucleus. 2. We have the neutron. Its symbol is N raised to power naught. Its charge is 0 and its mass is 1. It is also found in the nucleus. Then we have the electron, whose symbol is E with a negative sign on the top. Its charge is -1. Its mass is 0.0005, that is 5 times 10 raised to power -4, and it is found outside the nucleus. The atomic number of elements is represented by the letter Z and is also equal to the number of protons. The mass number of an element is represented by the number A and is equal to the number of the protons plus the neutrons. Now let's take a worked example. If an atom has 6 protons and 6 neutrons, what's its mass number? The answer to this is 12 because we are going to be adding the proton and the neutron together. Isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Example: we have carbon-12 and carbon-14. They are isotopes. Both have 6 protons but 6 and 8 neutrons respectively. Applications: carbon-14 is used in radiocarbon dating. Isotopes are also used in medical diagnosis and treatment. Example: iodine 131. Let's look at the structure models. 1. Dalton's model. The atoms are indivisible. Number 2. Thomson's model or plum pudding model. The electrons in a positively charged sphere. 3. Rutherford's model. That small dense nucleus, most of atom, is empty space. 4. Bohr's model. Electrons revolve in specific orbits or energy levels. Electron configuration. Electrons fill up energy levels or shell in the form of 2, 8, 8 and 18. Example: sodium atomic number is 11. The electron configuration for sodium is going to be 2, 8, 1. Now I'm going to leave some practice questions for you guys. 1. What is the electron configuration of oxygen? You have 5 seconds to pick your answer. The answer for oxygen's configuration is 2,6. Now question 2. What is the configuration of magnesium? The answer to the configuration of magnesium is 2,8,2. Now the atomic number of magnesium is 12. WAEC past questions. Question 1 from the year 2017. It is question number 2A. They were asked to define an isotope and give one example. Now you are going to write this down. I'm going to give you 15 seconds to pick your answer. The answer to this is isotopes are atoms of the same element with the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. An example as we took earlier is carbon 12 and carbon 14. Question 2 from WAEC 2018. An atom of an element X has 17 protons and 18 neutrons. A. What is the atomic number? B. What is the mass number? And C. Write the symbol of the element. You have 15 seconds to write down your answers. The answer for the atomic number is 17. Its mass number is 35 and the symbol of the element is Cl, that is chlorine. Question 3 from WAEC 2020. Which of the following has the same number of protons and electrons? A. Sodium plus. B. Oxygen 2 minus. C. Magnesium. And D. Chlorine minus. The answer to this question is C. Magnesium, because it has 12 protons and 12 electrons. WAEC question 1A 2019. They were asked to 1. Define atomic number and mass number, and then 2. An atom has 11 protons and 12 neutrons. What is its atomic number? What is its mass number? What is the name of the element? You have 20 seconds to write down your answers. The answer to I is its atomic number is equal to the number of protons. That is, mass number is equals to number of protons and neutrons. And the second one, the answer is the atomic number is 11, mass number 23, and the element is sodium, Na. Question 3 from WAEC 2020. Calculate the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in the following atoms. A. Calcium with a mass number of 40. B. Fluorine with a mass number of 39. And C. Aluminium 3 plus with a mass number of 27. The protons for calcium is 20, its neutrons 20, and its electrons 20. As for B, that is fluorine, its protons 9, neutrons 10, and electrons 10. C. As for aluminium with a charge of 3 plus, its protons 13, neutrons 14, and its electrons 10. Looking at some past questions on isotopes, we have from WAEC 2016, question 2b. State two applications of isotopes in industry or medicine. The answer to this is carbon-14, used in carbon dating, and iodine-131, used in treating thyroid disorders. We also have cobalt-60, used in radiotherapy. WAEC question 2015, question 2a. State what is meant by an isotope. Give two isotopes of hydrogen. Answer: isotopes are atoms of the same element with the same number of protons but different numbers of neutrons. Hydrogen isotopes includes 1. Protium, hydrogen with a mass number of 1, 2. Deuterium, hydrogen with a mass number of 2, and 3. Tritium, hydrogen with a mass number of 3. Let's look at some past questions based on electron configuration. WAEC 2013, question 1c. Write the electron configuration of the following elements: 1. Oxygen, 2. Magnesium, and 3. Phosphorus. The electron configuration of oxygen is 2,8. Note that its atomic number is 8. The electron configuration of magnesium is 2,8,2. Note that the atomic number of magnesium is 12. And then 3, that of phosphorus is 2,8,5, noting that the atomic number of phosphorus is 15. WAEC question 2b from the year 2018. What is the electronic configuration of potassium? Potassium has an atomic number of 19, hence its electronic configuration is 2,8,8,1. WAEC question 2022 OBJ. Which of the following electronic configurations is for a neutron atom of aluminium? A. 2,8,3, B. 2,8,5, C. 2,8,8, and D. 2,7,3. The answer to this is A. 2,8,3. Now, let's look at some summary points. Atoms are made up of subatomic particles known as protons, neutrons, and electrons. Isotopes have the same protons but different neutrons. Electron configuration is crucial to understanding chemical bonding. Bohr's law explains energy level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment below if you have questions or want another topic explained. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.